Hey everybody, I want to cover the next two stocks earnings trades and their key levels. Pulled up, I have Home Depot. They already released their earnings coming on Tuesday pre-market, November 18th, which is today at the time of recording. We have them rated as a 3 out of 10 on the earnings setup, giving them a 352 put and a 362.5 call. 362.5 on the call and 352.5 on the put. If you look at the current price right now, they're down 5%, so this was a winning trade. They had a return of plus 1 point, so not bad, but it's not amazing either, anywhere between 0% and plus 25%. All that matters, it was a winning trade. It did end up in the green. It's probably even more green now as prices fallen further, but at the time of recording, it was only plus 1 point. Now to go over their key levels, I did adjust it for where price currently rests. We're looking at the untradeable zone between 340 and 347.5. Here is the untradeable zone. As you guys see, it just broke below right there, so I'm not going to take time to readjust it. I would just move it a little bit farther down or put it at the first bearish target. We're going to start with the upside because that's where price just came from. The first target bulls will look for is 356.5, followed by 367.5. The third target for the bulls is going to rest at 375, then followed by 383.5. I'm going to expand these back here so you guys can see where the levels came from. And the final target for the bulls is going to rest at 392.5. There you have it. The entire bullish zone is completed, anywhere between 347.5 and 392.5 being the final target. To the downside, bears will initially target 334 flat and then 325. Jumping to the weekly really quick, the next bearish target will be 314. This is going to be the last level because the last two targets will be zones. I'm also going to show you guys the 4 hour once I'm done here. The first zone that bears are going to target is 305 up to 308, and the last target will be between 296 and 292. There you have it, the complete analysis, where to buy, where to sell, where it's untradeable. Let me go to the 4 hour really quick. I'll show you guys what that looked like too. I got to zoom out, but you guys can still see the structure a little bit everywhere around here where price is touching, and then even back here for these last couple of bearish targets. So there you guys have it. This is Home Depot, ticker HD. Next up, I want to cover Lowe's. They haven't released earnings yet, but that comes tomorrow, Wednesday, November 19th, pre-market. Again, today's November 18th. I'm going to have this up for pre-market trading on Wednesday. Lowe's is also rated a 3 out of 10, just like Home Depot. We gave them legs of a 217.5 put and a 225 call. Here's their earnings trade. Typically, if I see a massive gap down or up before earnings release, I won't take that trade. Now, this is an unsafe trade, so regardless, I'm not going to take it anyways. I just figured it'd be pretty popular with you guys. 217.5 put, 225 call. Now to do the untradeable zone, that's going to be anywhere between 218.5 and 224. Here's the untradeable zone. It does overlap with the earnings trade, so I expanded it a little bit, anywhere between 218.50 and 224 flat. We're going to target the upside once again, just because that's where price has fallen from. We're looking at 229 is the first target, followed by 235.50, and then the third target will be 242 flat. The last two targets to the upside are going to look like 245.50 and 250 flat. The full buy zone is now done, anywhere between 224 and 250. To the downside, bears are going to initially target 215, followed by 210, then down to 204. Jumping to the weekly once again to see the final two bearish targets, we're looking at 197.5 and 190.5. There you have it, the complete analysis for Lowe's stock, once again rated a 3 out of 10 ahead of their earnings release. Let me jump to the weekly final analysis here, and then the 4 hour really quick for you guys. You can check out some of this, you can check out some of the structure that we were looking at. And then let's jump all the way back here. Right there as well. Later on this week, I will also be uploading Target, ticker TGT, and Walmart, ticker WMT. Target releases their earnings tomorrow, so I already uploaded their short early on this morning. And Walmart releases their earnings Thursday pre-market, so I'll try to have that up for you guys as well. That's going to be all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.